All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. And we're gonna be going on another night POV drive. I should be in Dallas right now, but the law's tripping out there, so I'm still in Houston. Man, they're going crazy out there for Texas 2K this year with the weather, you know, just the ridiculous amount of task force officers. It just wasn't worth it. And obviously, because I'm not taking the 99 down there, and realistically there'd be no reason to take this car down there, I decided just to stay home and just chill, man, just to play it safe. Because it for real it's something else down there right now. I got a couple buddies that came down from Chicago, and they're saying this is the worst Texas 2K that they've experienced yet. Just as far as just the cops and just the whole vibe, Dallas just isn't it. I 100% agree, which is kind of why I'm not even upset that I'm not going, and I feel like I'm not really missing out on anything. But for those of you who are, you know, in Dallas right now, or depending on when you're watching this video, went to Texas 2K, let me know what y'all think. Y'all enjoying yourselves or not? Because I was gonna go down this afternoon for like one night, but nah, it ain't gonna happen, man. It ain't gonna happen. Tomorrow somebody should be picking up the 2-valve, hopefully. Don't want to speak too much on it because could jinx myself. I already kind of did, but actually today somebody should be picking it up. Today is a new day because it's like 2 in the morning when I'm recording this. So if you guys are enjoying these nighttime POV drives, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications. I want to go ahead and check out the 60 FPS because usually I record in 4K 30 because of how some things are, you know, driving 60 FPS 4K with the GoPro Hero 10. Sometimes it messes up, but hopefully we're good to go tonight, or technically this morning. Whew. Need to make some calls early next week, get this clutch swapped out, short throw shifter, get this car ready for boost, baby. Ironically, the weather's about to get wicked hot. It's always like that. Week after Texas 2K goes 85 degrees every single day. Man, this light's long.
One eternity later.
Got some action up here. Some action over there. This is gonna be probably one of those like hopefully chill POVs, because again, it is Texas 2K weekend. Even though we're in Houston, they're not in Dallas, you know, they're still out and about. Laws is really not tripping, bro. They're pulling people over for no front plate. Oh shit! No front plate, everything. Oh my god. The normal mode. Let me go ahead and put this in normal mode right now. Somebody else got pulled over right there. Popping a U-turn. Following me like he's a cop, and like an unmarked car behind me. I hate fools like that. Like, they be following you like sketch. Like, bro, get on somewhere. It could be a cop. Hell if I know. Like, some of these motherfuckers out in Houston, oh, no way it's starting to rain. Get out of here. I don't know if it's starting, I mean, it was supposed to rain at like 5 p.m., but it didn't. At least I don't think it did. And it ain't supposed to rain till like 4, but y'all know how Houston is. And I know Dallas is like washed out right now too. And I kind of wanted to go downtown just to see what the vibes are downtown. But it's looking like it's wet outside, which sucks. I want to make sure I have traction control turned back on if it's wet. I'm actually really lucky because I have the interior lights on and I'm not supposed to be driving around with the interior lights on. I do it just because it gives you guys like a better picture, but I technically could get pulled over for this because for whatever reason it's illegal. It's distracting to other drivers, even though like the windows are tinted and well, that's a reason to get popped too, especially during Texas 2K week. So I'm gonna catch up with you guys when we get closer downtown. I'm gonna shut these interior lights off just in case, you know, there's some cops out here trying to fight the good fight and, you know, give out, you know, meaningless citations. All right, we are making our way downtown. Oh man, shit, I got the weather mode on. I didn't really realize it was raining like this. Well, it's not hard, but it's supposed to thunderstorm. It's almost 2 o'clock. Wasn't supposed to rain until like another 2 hours, but y'all know how Houston is. Man, dude, this car sounds so much different in like the weather mode. Oh, what the hell is going on? Something going on up here. You about to park that fire truck right there? Downtown tonight. What the hell going on downtown? I haven't seen downtown Houston this live in like ever. There's a lot of cops out though, that's for damn sure. Pop a Yui, go back down that way. Way more shit going on.
That whole hard.
Thank you.
Hey, do some crazy ass shit.
There's way too many cops out right now.
Light turn green. Crazy ass shit.
You said do some crazy ass shit. Hell nah, man. It's the wrong weekend to be doing that shit. Looks like a cop right there. I'm in a bus lane right now, but I think I'll be alright. They got that shit shut down, I think, right now. These are like fed ass motherfuckers downtown, man. Like they be just driving up like on you like they're feds. Like I don't get why people be doing that. Like it's so sketch. Dudes probably want me to burn out downtown. Dude, if I would have revved the car, it would have been going along like coming around here like crazy. Look at all these people though, like the amount of people that are out right now. And the weather sucks out here. Look at that. Houston like around this time on a Saturday before, and it was not like this. Like get out of downtown. Really don't want to be dealing with no drunk drivers and shit. Yeah, I might actually get out of here. I actually might leave downtown just because I don't want to deal with like potential drunk drivers. I don't really want to deal with it tonight. And it's raining. Hey, look, let's just play it smart. But that. Hell nah. I didn't even turn my light on when I was downtown. Shit, my bad, y'all. Forgot to do that. But there's enough stuff going on, and I don't think it really mattered. Well, I'm about to head out of here because there's a lot more traffic than I thought there was gonna be. being wet and me being on the Mickeys, it's probably not a good idea to be out here low key. Got Houston's finest right there. Yeah, probably a bad idea. So I'm gonna catch you guys when we get closer to the crib, because it's pretty active right now, I ain't gonna lie. All right, back at the casa. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys enjoy the 4K 60 FPS content, if there is a difference. Not gonna lie, after looking back at the footage, I think there is a massive difference, which is pretty dope. So again, let me know down in the comment section, and as always, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.